Erin, it's moving to the northeast at 18 miles an hour. Winds are at 100 miles an hour, so it's a Category 2 hurricane. But the center right now, if we measure from about Virginia Beach, is off towards the east, and it's roughly about 350 miles east of Virginia Beach. So we'll do the distance tool there. So roughly about 350 to 400 miles as it moves away from the mid-Atlantic coast. And there's a color enhancement showing the eye a little bit better, spinning there with winds of 100 miles an hour in the eye wall. But this will continue moving away from the mid-Atlantic coast. It'll decrease in intensity to a Category 1, then just a big area of low pressure as it goes into the northern Atlantic. So as it moves away, the winds and waves will get better near the coast. Still looking at waves anywhere 12 to almost 17 feet along some of the coastal areas. But by tomorrow, the waves will start relaxing a tiny bit. We'll still may have some 9 to 12 foot waves in the Outer Banks, and still some waves up to about 6, 9, maybe 10 feet at Virginia Beach. But then things will get a little bit better going into the upcoming weekend. However, the National Weather Service is saying that we'll likely have the high risk of dangerous rip currents right through the end of the week into the weekend. Still have a tropical storm warning for the Atlantic and for parts of the Chesapeake due to some of the winds and waves that have been there, but things will start calming down over the next 24 hours. However, that persistent wind flow has been keeping some coastal flooding in the northern neck and middle peninsula. Water levels 1 to 3 feet above normal during the high tide cycles. Northern neck and middle peninsula, this lasts through tomorrow and goes into Saturday morning, but goes to Friday afternoon down the Hampton Roads area if you're traveling down there or have some family and friends that you're keeping tabs on. Low at mid-80s next couple days, a little bit more humid Sunday. A cold front may bring us a shower or thunderstorm Sunday into early Monday. Then after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be delightful. Lots of sunshine, highs upper 70s and low 80s, and overnight lows in the 50s to around 60.